Okay, so this is the first patch I wanted to show off. It is kind of the result of a lot of messing around with jit.gl.sketch, which was one of the first things I was interested in when I started picking up Jitter and kind of taking it more seriously. I just wanted to be able to draw stuff in 3D space, and Sketch was kind of the first thing I came across to do that. I think there's different and better ways to do it now, but this is kind of the first thing I came up with. So I'm just going to float this window here. I'll start the patch and kind of mess around with the parameters and talk about it a bit, and maybe that will be enough. So the first thing here is this idea of a point moving through space. I decided to kind of just create this point by having a number increasing and making that number the z value of a 3 coordinate thing. So there's a metro that starts, it creates a message for this line object, and this number just increases over whatever amount of time that I specify up here. And that value becomes kind of the origin point for this patch. This grid shape is just sitting on this line here. And I'm going to pull the camera out a little bit further. You can kind of see where it came from and where it is. And I'm just drawing a line constantly from wherever the origin is now to 0, 0, 0. So with that happening, I think as soon as this gets up to 100, it starts over, and I think I have it at about 45 seconds right now. So it'll start over soon, and I have some other little things here that will draw stuff around that origin point, like some circles, and that's just sending a message to the sketch object to draw a circle around the point wherever it happens to be. Let's see if I get them happening a little sooner. So there you go. And I have some controls for the camera here. All right, so we're just kind of moving through a 3D space and drawing stuff around it. I mean, coming from just the basic like jitter tutorials, this was like a huge success for me, so I was really excited about it. Let's get this thing a little closer. All right, and there's just some like different, I don't know, shots, some looks you can get with this kind of setup. That's pretty fun. This other little patch here draws frame circles around the point, I believe. Here we go. This other metronome, this other metro is sending, similar to the origin point, it's sending commands to this line to draw a circle real quick, and then I'm using that point that's moving around the origin to draw these. So I got that going there. I feel like this would look better with that, and I wish I had a way to set all the sketches colors at once, but I don't. What else have I got in here? I've got, oh yeah, I made it so that I could kind of drop another circle along the origin here, and then the last thing I came up with was this sine wave drawing line thing. Oh, because I named the context wrong. There we go. So you get two of them there, and if you change their frequency No, I'm scaling the y value here, and I'm scaling them by different values, so you get this kind of constructive, destructive interference thing going on with them. So yeah, that is my line sketch 1. All right, I'm going to move on to some other patches now.